Have you ever seen a patient who is extremely weak, anxious, restless, yet unable to stay still even for a moment? A patient who feels burning pains everywhere, but strangely feels better from heat? Then you are looking at one of the greatest remedies in homeopathy, Arsenicum Album. Today, let us study Arsenicum Album completely based on Allen's Keynotes and Boericke's Materia Medica. The core of Arsenicum Album is all-prevailing debility, exhaustion, and restlessness. This is not ordinary weakness. It is a peculiar, irritable weakness where the patient is mentally restless but physically too weak to move. The vital forces sink rapidly with fainting and collapse. The patient feels especially exhausted on moving and is surprised by the extreme weakness on attempting activity. Mentally, there is great anguish and fear of death. The patient may think they are incurable and feel taking medicine is useless. There is fear of being alone, fear when going to bed, and fear associated with cold sweat. One of the grand keynotes of Arsenicum Album is burning pains. The affected parts burn like fire, as if hot coals were applied. Yet paradoxically, these burning pains are relieved by heat, hot drinks, and hot applications. The complaints are markedly periodic, often returning annually. There is profound adenomia, or loss of strength. Arsenicum affects every organ and tissue in the body. It causes degenerative changes, gradual loss of weight, anemia, chlorosis, malarial cachexemia, and maintains the system under the stress of malignancy. The mental picture of Arsenicum Album is extremely characteristic. The patient may be depressed, melancholic, despairing, or indifferent, or they may become anxious, fearful, restless, and filled with anguish. Sometimes they are irritable, sensitive, peevish, and easily vexed. The restlessness is intense. The patient constantly changes place and wants to move from one bed to another, yet lacks the strength to do so comfortably. There may also be miserly, malicious, or selfish tendencies. They lack courage and are highly sensitive to disorder and confusion. General sensibility is increased. Hallucinations of smell and sight may occur. There can even be suicidal despair. Headaches in Arsenicum Album are peculiar because they are relieved by cold applications, while most other symptoms are worse from cold. There may be hemicrania with an icy sensation of the scalp. The head may remain in constant motion. The scalp becomes intolerably itchy, rough, dirty, sensitive, and covered with dry scales or dandruff. There may be circular bald patches or alopecia. Burning and itching of the scalp are worse at night. The scalp becomes so sensitive, the patient cannot even brush the hair. In severe conditions, there may be delirium tremens with cursing, raving, and vicious behavior. The eyes show intense burning with acrid, hot, excoriating lacrimation. The lids become red, ulcerated, scabby, granulated, with edema around the eyes. Photophobia is intense, yet relieved by external warmth. Corneal ulceration and ciliary neuralgia may be present. In the ears, the skin feels raw and burning. There may be thin, excoriating, offensive discharge from the ears. Roaring noises occur during pain attacks. The nasal discharge is thin, watery, and excoriating. Even though the nose feels blocked, sneezing gives no relief. Hay fever and coryza are worse in open air and better indoors. Acne of the nose and lupus may also occur. The face appears pale, yellow, cachectic, sunken, cold, and covered with sweat of agony. There are tearing, needle-like burning pains. The lips may become black or livid. During teething, children appear pale, weak, fretful, and constantly want to be carried rapidly. The gums bleed easily. The tongue may be dry, clean, and red, or ulcerated with bluish discoloration. There is metallic taste, bloody saliva, and the teeth feel long and sore. These symptoms worsen after midnight, but improve from warmth. There may be gulping up of burning water. The throat becomes swollen, edematous, constricted, and burning. Swallowing becomes difficult or impossible. Diphtheric membranes appear dry and wrinkled. Stomach and thirst of Arsenicum Album. Arsenicum Album has one of the most characteristic thirst patterns in homeopathy. The patient is intensely thirsty, but drinks often and only little at a time. There is burning thirst for cold water, yet the stomach cannot tolerate it. The water lies in the stomach like a stone. The patient cannot bear the sight or smell of food. Interestingly, they may eat seldom, but much at a time. There are cravings for acids, coffee, and milk. Nausea, retching, and vomiting occur after eating or drinking. Heartburn with acid eructations excoriates the throat. Vomiting may contain blood, bile, or brown-black material mixed with blood. The stomach feels raw and torn. Arsenicum Album is especially useful for ailments caused by vegetable diet. Melons, watery fruits, ice cream, ice water, sour beer, bad sausage, alcoholic drinks, and strong cheese. Next, we will see abdomen, stool, and rectum. The abdomen has gnawing, burning pains, like coals of fire, which are relieved by heat. The liver and spleen may become enlarged and painful. Ascites and anasarca may occur, with pale, waxy, earth-colored skin. Pain in the abdomen may occur while coughing. The stools are small, offensive, dark, and associated with extreme prostration. Symptoms worsen at night and after eating or drinking. Dysentery may be dark and bloody. In cholera, there is intense agony with an ice-cold body. The rectum may show spasmodic protrusion and tenesmus. Hemorrhoids burn like fire, yet are relieved by heat. They produce stitching pains while walking or sitting, not during stool. Fissures may even make urination difficult. The urine becomes scanty, burning, and involuntary. The bladder may feel paralyzed. The urine can contain albumin, epithelial cells, fibrin, pus, and blood. After urination, there is weakness in the abdomen. In females, menses become too early and too profuse. There is burning pain in the ovarian region. Leukorrhea becomes acrid, burning, offensive, and thin. Stitching pains extend from the pelvis down the thigh.
Respiratory symptoms of Arsenicum Album. The patient often cannot lie down because of fear of suffocation. They must sit up or bend forward to breathe. Asthma is especially worse after midnight. The patient may suddenly spring out of bed after 12 o'clock due to breathlessness. The cough is dry, as if caused by sulfur fumes. It becomes worse after drinking or lying on the back. Expectoration is scanty and frothy. There may be darting pain through the upper third of the right lung.
The heart symptoms include palpitation, dyspnea, and faintness. Arsenicum is useful in irritable heart conditions in smokers and tobacco chewers. The pulse is more rapid in the morning. There may be cyanosis, fatty degeneration of the heart, and angina pectoris with pain extending to the neck and occiput. There is weakness in the small of the back. The shoulders may feel drawn inward. The extremities show trembling, twitching, spasms, and profound weakness. Cramps occur in the calves. The feet may swell. There may be sciatica, peripheral neuritis, diabetic gangrene, and ulcers on the heel. Paralysis of the lower limbs with atrophy may also occur. The skin becomes dry, rough, scaly, or parchment-like. It may appear cold, blue, wrinkled, with clammy perspiration. Arsenicum album is indicated in urticaria with restlessness, black vesicles, malignant pustules, anthrax, and psoriasis. The itching and burning are worse from cold and worse from scratching. There may be edema and gangrenous inflammation. Sleep is disturbed, anxious, and restless. The patient often needs the head elevated by pillows. There may be suffocative attacks during sleep. The patient may sleep with hands over the head. Dreams are filled with fear, care, and anxiety. The fever picture includes high temperature with septic and intermittent paroxysms. Typhoid states with delirium are worse after midnight. Cold sweats are common. There is often great heat around 3 a.m. Modalities. The symptoms of Arsenicum album become worse after midnight, especially between 1 and 2 a.m., and also around 1 to 2 p.m. They are worse from cold, cold drinks, cold food, wet weather, and seashore exposure. Symptoms are worse on the right side, while lying on the affected side, or with the head low. Even the slightest exertion aggravates the condition. The patient becomes better from heat, warm drinks, hot applications, and by keeping the head elevated. The major exception is the headache, which is relieved by cold applications.